could be taking control, yeah.
So hey guys, it's me Ans and I'm back with another video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna to compare Asus Zenfone 7 and 7 Pro with the OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro. So firstly, let's talk about in Asus 7 Pro you will see a 12GB of RAM, and in OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro you are gonna to see same 12GB RAM. Let's talk about processor. In Asus 7 and 7Z you are gonna to see Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus, and in OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro you are gonna to see same Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. Now let's talk about the camera. So in Asus Zenfone 7 and the 7Z, previously a video leak and it shows that the Asus Zenfone 7 and the 7Z are gonna to come with a rear camera setup with a flip mechanism. The main sensor of the phone might be 64 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus a 5 megapixel sensor. And in OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro, you are gonna to see a quad rear camera setup. The main sensor of the OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro will be 64 megapixel plus a 48 megapixel sensor plus 8 megapixel sensor plus 5 megapixel sensor. Let's talk about the front camera. In Asus Zenfone 7, you are going to see a flip mechanism, so you don't have to think about the front camera in Asus 7 series. And in OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro, you are going to see a 16 megapixel front camera. Let's talk about battery. In Asus Zenfone 7 and 7 Pro, you may see a 5000 mAh battery with the support of 45 watt fast charger. And in OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro, you may see a 4850 mAh battery with the support of 65 watt fast charger. Let's move on display. In Asus Zenfone 7 and 7 Pro, you may see a 6.5 inches OLED display with 120Hz screen refresh rate. In OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro, you may see a 6.78 inches OLED display with 120Hz screen refresh rate with the support of HDR10. Let's talk about the fingerprint placement. In Asus Zenfone 7 and 7 Pro, you may see a in-display fingerprint sensor of 10th generation. And in OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro, you may see same in-display fingerprint sensor with the 10th generation technology. Let's talk about charging. As I have previously tell you that the Asus Zenfone 7 and 7 Pro may comes with the 45 watt fast charging, and the OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro may comes with the 65 watt fast charging. Let's talk about the main thing, price. So the Asus Zenfone 7 and 7 Pro may comes at the price tag of $400. Yes guys, $400 for the Asus Zenfone 7 and 7 Pro is quite enough guys. The price of the OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro may be $700. So it's also good for the OnePlus, but the Asus Zenfone 7 series will be more cheaper than the OnePlus 8T and 8T Pro. So it's all guys. If you like the video, so do hit that subscribe button and also press that bell icon so you never miss any updates of my channel. So bye and see you all in the next video.